Sa atin, ang tariff sa mga export natin, 19%. 1% less than the second rate at 2%. Kumbaga, yung unang tariff natin, di ba? 17% lang. Tapos, tinaas ng 3%. Naging 20%. Tapos, binaba ng 1%. Mas mataas pa rin sa initial na 17%.
That's what we are following is a 19% tariff rate on Philippine goods that are imported into the United States.
But Mr. President, isn't the Philippines getting the shorter end of the stick here by having still higher tariffs from 17%? It's still higher. It's still higher at 19%, whereas we're giving them zero tariffs for certain sectors.
Well, that's how negotiations go. We came here when we arrived in Washington. Tariff rates were 20. So why they came up from 17 to 20 is an internal matter with the United States government. So
Noon kasi 30% ang tariff rate sa mga finished cars galing sa US at 20% naman sa mga bus at trucks. He should have just let them invest in manufacturing sa loob ng bansa para wala na silang, inaangkat na taripa. None of this shit. Kung ano mas maganda, subsidize the auto manufacturing industry sa Pilipinas. Filipino people making Filipino cars. That way, we can really stand on our own feet. You know what? Bigyan natin ng subsidiya na mas malaki yung mga jeepney makers. Yung mga modernized jeepney makers. Yung meron pa ring soul ng isang jeepney. Yung malaki sila, pero the aircon, at mukha pa rin silang jeepney sa labas. Matagal ko na sinasabi yung ganyan. Mag-invest tayo sa manufacturing sa Pilipinas. Please lang. Now, of course, hindi pa tapos and wala pang ironclad deal. But this is the preliminary sketch ng makukuha natin. And in all realities, maybe ito na yun. 19% tariff rate. Samantalang sa US, 0%. We have been a long-standing ally of the United States. Tapos gaganyanin niya lang tayo. Pero you know what? As I said earlier, mahirap makipagnegosasyon kay egotistic, fascistic, authoritarian Donald Trump. Maganda pa tayo, of course, sa mga agreed upon terms and conditions. BBM also flaunted yung mga investment pledges na nakuha ng Pilipinas from numerous industries totaling to a few dozen $billion.